I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets. I was looking for a tutorial on YouTube for a granny square chicken. And I went ahead and I found this one. This one was my favorite out of all the ones that I found. And I went ahead and I crocheted it. And I think that he is the most adorable little thing. It has granny squares that are the sunburst or sunflower granny squares. And then he's got that adorable 3-hump comb, a cute little beak, and he's even got feathers on his bum. I mean, he is just adorable. And generally, you know, sometimes when I'm watching a tutorial, I'll kind of tweak it a little bit and do things my own way. And I will jot it down and make a note and kind of like recreating the pattern, if you will. But I thought that this guy's pattern, the way that he did things was different. It was unique. And the way that he ended up turning this round sunflower into a square was different. I had never seen it done this way before. And so I went ahead and I stuck with exactly how he was doing it in his tutorial. Didn't change a thing. I'll go ahead and I will leave that link in the description box below so you can go on over and crochet this adorable chicken with him. I mean, look, I just love these feathers. And it seemed like it was going to be a little tricky when you started following him to turn the sunflower into a square. But then once you did the first side, then you realized that it wasn't that difficult. And I really love this pattern. I can't say it enough. I really love this pattern. So subscribe to my channel if you like me sharing things like this with you, and give me a thumbs up and comment below. Tell me if you have made a granny square chicken before, and if you haven't, if you plan on making one. And until next time, bye.